one of my favorite pages is the inspiration page that you're going to see right now. This is filled with so many amazing examples of augmented and virtual reality that you can build right now. Some of them were built with echoAR, some were not. For example, the art example that I mentioned was built with Echo, or the murder mystery game, or the project we did with the Verizon 5G. And there's so many other examples here for healthcare and games and internet navigation and training and data visualization and shopping and retail. Remember I talked to you about the tracker for COVID that someone did in a hackathon. We have it here. We have another cool example of a VR app that people did in a previous hackathon, and they basically showed how long COVID can linger on different surfaces in VR. Or another company who did, that was a group of developers who did a companion for you to, in AR, what's your surviving COVID. So definitely check those out. Amazing examples that you can explore. Some do image targets, some do surface detection, but they utilize the full force of echoAR, and I recommend for you to do the same thing.